Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a buckle haul. I was in need of some new blue jeans for work, and so I finally bit the bullet and went to go get me some. So I just thought I would show you. Just have two pairs of blue jeans, but I just wanted to show you what I got. I was kind of excited. Buying jeans is not an easy thing. They're so expensive. But what are you going to do? I wear blue jeans to work every day, so I don't have a choice but to go buy some. So I got two jeans. They were $177.48. So let's start. Okay, but my daughter buys almost all her stuff at Buckle. So she had been giving her mama her points. So I had $10 on my Buckle loyalty rewards. So I was able to use that. So I got a little bit of discount. So the first pair I got is this pair of Miss Me jeans. They have the angel wings and a lot of bling on them. So they were really cute. Let's see, I got $31.31. They were $99, but because I had the $10, I got them for $93.31. They are the signature boot. That's like my fit. I like, because I wear a lot of boots, and then even with my tennis shoes, they still have a good fit. You know, like size leg. It's not too big on the bottom. It's not too small for a pair of tennis shoes or, you know, my boots. I don't have my boots over here. But anyway, it's what I wear them. These are a little bit of a darker wash. I have two pair of Miss Me jeans that are light that I wear anyway. So these are mid-rise, which I like. Either mid-rise or low-rise. I don't like high-rise jeans. That's no good for me. Anyway, that's these. They got a little bit of the whiskers on them. So I was excited to get them. Here they are. Here's the back view. I'll twist it up. So that's those. And then so I always usually wear the Miss Me jeans, but they only had one pair, and I had went and I wanted to get two more pairs of jeans. So the lady talked me into getting a pair of the BKE jeans. I haven't, like I said, I haven't ever wore these before. She said they're comparable to the Miss Me. These are Peyton. These are curvy fit mid-rise boot cut, which is the exact same cut as the Miss Me jeans that I got. These were regular price, $74.95. I got these for $70.64. And I got the 31 regular. Here's the back pocket. So just a plain jean, which I like. And the bling's okay, but I don't need all that bling for work. It's not like I'm wearing them to the club. They have the whiskers on them too, and a little bit faded out, and then the boot cut on the bottom. So these will be good as it's gonna start getting warmer again. I'll be just wearing regular t-shirts today. I had to throw on a thermal because it's cold out there, and then when you're outside walking around and stuff, it's really chilly. So anyway, that's what I got. Two pairs of jeans. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, so I paid $70.64 and a $93.31. So take $10 discount. I like that. To take a little bit, we'll take a discount anywhere I can get it. That's for sure. So that's my haul, y'all. Two pairs of jeans. I'm super excited. Anyway, it doesn't take much to get me excited, I guess. But if I like the BKEs, I may go back and try to get some more. I tried on some of the lighter wash, and they didn't fit like these, so I didn't take them. So let me just try out these pair, and then if I like them, I can always go back. That's it. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch me and see what I got. See my excitement over some 2 pairs of blue jeans. Anyway, so y'all have a good day, a good evening. It's Friday night here. It's cold in Texas. Tomorrow it's supposed to be raining and ugly, but what can you do? Texas weather changes from minute to minute, and let's just roll with it. Alright, y'all take care. Bye for now. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate it. Alright, good night, y'all.